Today, we'll show you how to get your renders faster and smoother. We have only one setting for this. Now, I will show you the setting step by step. Different results with the same prompts. The name of the value we will change here is Cadence. Trying each render at a different value will cost you approximately 1 hour, provided you have at least 12 gigabytes of RAM. To avoid wasting time, you can watch this 4 or 5 minute video to see what results you will get at which value. I leave a timer at the top right of the video. Here you can see how long it will take to render at which cadence value. I will speed up the video while rendering. You can see how much time has passed at the end of the rendering. Now, after pasting our prompt, I will render it with cadencic values of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 respectively. I will use 350 frame value for our prompt. Our first generate started with 1 cadence value. Speed up the video. We got our first render. As you can see here, the video is not smooth. Now, quickly render on all n values. In the row, I speed up the video until the end of the renders. You can pause the video and check how long they take. After I get the results, I will show you all on one screen, so you can clearly see the difference. As you increase the cadence value, the rendering time becomes shorter and the video becomes smoother. Our last render is almost finished. I will show all the results at once when it is finished. As you can see, it took nearly half an hour to render 6 different values at 350 frames. But the first render with the cadence value of 1 took approximately 12 or 13 minutes. Yes, let's see the results. The best values I tried are 4 or 5. Higher values. Transitions between frames are very slow. Of course, the value you will use may vary depending on what you want to do. In this way, I will share with you the results obtained with different values such as this, which wastes a long time in Stable Diffusion, as a video. Instead of spending long hours, you can learn with which values you will get the results you really want in 4 or 5 minutes. For this, you can support me and avoid wasting time by subscribing to my channel.